Yo guys, so today we're gonna do try not to laugh challenge with my friend.
Hey, what's good? So let's just try not to laugh. I lose every single time. I've done it on my channel, but I'll delete it. I'm shit.
Okay. So
Then if it's actually
we're
recording.
gonna start it from the beginning.
Let's check on mine if it's recording this.
So basically we're gonna just try and find wait, do you have any pieces of paper maybe?
No. Oh, that way.
Wait, yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, if you had it like this is our intro, you know.
Scrap.
So guys, as I said, I bought this capture card, so tomorrow I'm gonna be streaming because you know I just bought it quite cheap, £160.
That's cheap. I don't even know.
So I'm gonna be streaming 4K or 60 FPS HD. So I think I can find like piece of paper.
I wish I brought one.
What do you think? Do you have any? Oh shit! Let's just use this bullshit.
No, that's mine. Piss off.
just put behind this. Oh shit! I found it.
Nice.
Okay. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen?
No.
God damn it! We have to find a pen.
I wish you could just like stop the stream for a second. Oh, you can pause. I'm like, what the hell? Okay, I'm gonna stay on your channel if you're actually recording shit.
Okay.
Well,
So mine is pink, his is blue, and we're gonna just if blue. Oh my god! Okay, if he laughs, he's gonna put 1, and if I laugh, I'm gonna put 1. And whoever has more ones than you guys know, they got damn lose. Okay. 3.
no, wait.
2. Okay.
1. I love this shit.
Oh. I haven't seen this.
Yo, I saw this.
Put a 1 up. Put a 1.
Give us my friend.
This one. Put a 1.
I saw this so many times. I'm like,
Oh. Yo, no. I love this one.
yeah,
I ain't gonna laugh, you know. I'm gonna win this bullshit.
I'm getting a massive pendant.
Oh my god, I just laughed. Does that count?
Yeah.
Oh, yay.
I'm a savage.
This doesn't even work, you dumb shit.
Yes, it does.
Just use this one. If you laugh, then I'll let you use
I'll
it.
use this one.
Okay.
You can have it. Are you okay? There's like, are you okay?
Yeah, dude, I'm alright, aren't you? Like a boss. Yep. Like a boss. Oh, it failed. No.
That's not even funny.
He's laughing, I mean.
I never laugh. You can have this, you know. Yo, no. Don't be something why you just. Oh, I thought he was gonna hit his dad with it, you know. That would be so funny. No. They're not gonna hit the. He's not gonna hit his own face. Oh, I thought so.
I think the head was the golf ball. Not the golf, that was the golf stick,
Leave
or
like.
however you call it.
I can't even put it.
Well, that's just kids, you know.
No, I like kids. You ready? I've only laughed once, the same as him.
No, mine thought you just got that big ass shit pen, which looks like something.
No.
But you just laughed!
I know.
Oh, you put 1.
Okay, fuck off, man.
Don't swear in my stream. I never swear. Only like 100 swear words in one day. Not one day. One day.
No, that doesn't count.
It does count. What you on about? You blunt.
Swear.
I know.
Yeah, I know what's gonna happen. I was gonna do the massive splits. We both laughed. Ew, that's like.
Oh, that was sad.
I bet you just smashed his head in.
Whoa! That just hurt my feelings, you know.
Yo, that doesn't count anymore now. If someone makes someone laugh, I'm pissed.
No.
I
got 2. Yeah, I'm winning, boy.
If you make me laugh, you know.
What the hell is he doing? He laughing at bullshit, which is not even funny.
Guys, I can never laugh. I can never stop. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I laugh a lot of times, but not at.
What happened to me something? I bet he's gonna just.
Oh, like a boss, yeah, boy.
Oh, boy, he's just gonna hit his. Oh, that's sad. That's just sad. That happened to me like twice.
He didn't realize I just laughed. Yeah,
You did laugh.
No,
You did.
I never did. You're dumb. That just. She just banged her old young sister or something.
I know, right? You just laughed. No,
Yes.
but if you
No,
make me laugh,
no.
you laughed too. You laughed. Yo, he laughed too. He laughed too.
Come on, I put one, but now, come on.
Same. I got
No.
You better take that. Who'll be laughing at?
Oh, that's just sad, didn't she? She was just expecting the door just to close and open, like.
You're there.
Yeah.
Look. Yeah. I bet I'm gonna lose.
Obviously.
Yo, that's the young savage. Did you just see that? Except from the smash in the head. Nice one. Yo. Nice. If I'd meet. No, let's just skip it.
Whoever's watching this, I'm gonna put a channel in the link below and just unlike every single video, okay?
Of mine.
Unlike. Yeah, it's his channel. He doesn't even have a camera. He streams with like 180p. He's got like 1 subscriber.
I have 31. I'll
Still, that's the same as 1. And no one cares about your channel. No one cares about your channel. No one got that right. His phone just fell.
Yo, I just threw it so far. That's how you get.
I just laughed over
That's how you just make people
He's
laugh.
so dumb.
Throwing your own phone. You laughed so many times then.
Look at my brand new hat, boys.
He always loves it.
California fanboy.
I guess I have 30 now.
You can't even
Most
see
of
that.
them plays.
Delete channel, yeah?
No!
Yes, I deleted this channel!
No, you are not gonna do it.
Yes! Oh, we just smacked
You are not deleting my channel.
I will. I'll hack into you by my hacking program.
Yeah.
No, I don't think that Vine is funny, but that's the laugh which is more funny, I think.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, the strip just stripped her up.
That would be a good one later. I'm gonna laugh. Yo, I know what's up. Yo, he's laughing, but I'm like,
Oh! I knew that was gonna happen. I'm awesome. Oh, yeah.
that's what I did when I was a kid. I was like, I didn't do it like that. I was like,
Supposed to shake your ass.
Yo, dogs don't do that. It's only cats. Maybe I did that when I was a kid. Yeah, I'm going there this year with my school.
Where? What is that? Italy or what?
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm going to Italy, I think, or Spain. I don't know.
I have to pay 100 quid.
100 only. I have to pay 1,000. Bullshit. Nah, I bet you he's lying here. That little
Yo.
shit.
I'll prove it tomorrow.
Yeah, he's little shit.
I'll prove it tomorrow on my
Little shit.
channel.
I just missed my pen.
Break it. Did she just?
Did I just break my pen?
Yeah. I'll do this one.
Oh, piss off.
Mine's not fault. You can't even do that.
Oh, I think that pen's too hard and too long and too like.
Guys, we're not even counting how many we laughing. We're just doing this thing. No, are we? I can just. That is a gymnastic cat. No joke. Who's doing the splits in the air?
Oh, shoot. Oh, I think I can do it off my knee. Did you guys hear that crack?
Please wait.
Yeah, there it is.
At least if you could.
Can you hear this? That used to sound.
That guy just smashed his. He was like.
Yeah,
Was that He was like, this is my birthday. This is what the
Yo, you said something fake. Why does that doesn't have a lead in the middle? What the hell?
Show them. There you go.
I did. Are you blind? I told you.
I'm blind.
I told you he's a little shit. Yep. Oh.
Have you seen it?
What?
This is so nice. Is that? This is a model. If he could have walked like that, he would be a model. He's not like here. He's supposed to. She's gonna smash your head with it.
Just go like smoke. Shit. Yeah.
Yeah, but she's gonna smash your head. R.I.P. Leave a like if you want us to make more vids.
But obviously, leave a like if you don't want me to be with him. Okay? Yeah. I bet I'm gonna get more likes without him.
Yeah. I don't need likes. I need friends.
Yeah. Oh my God. Did you just?
Yeah.
I mean, he just needs hate, you know.
Maybe.
Oh.
Skills, babe. Did you just see that? He's going.
Holy shit. Just laughed there.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't laugh there, guys. Come on. Just comment down below. I didn't laugh. Come on.
Comment down below. That's a proper nice fence. He is not.
What?
He did not just throw. He's not. No, he's not gonna throw all of this at him.
What happened?
He threw a chair at him and a ball right in his. Yeah, you can't even see that. What else now? I bet you just got like
Guys,
like twins.
This is the biggest. I feel so sad. This is my worst moment of my life. Oh my God! I can't believe I'm doing this.